This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Beverly Carter. Great first-time homebuyer or rental property. Add some TLC and enjoy your new home. Spacious living area, large kitchen with lots of cabinets and countertops. Seller has installed new windows and added to insulation in the walls. 2 bedrooms with bath, convenient 2 bedrooms. Large lot and storage building. Near schools, shopping and dining. This property is sold as is where is. If buyer wants to do a home inspection, they will need to put up a non-refundable deposit of $400 to turn on the utilities and winterize it again. For more information, review the details below or contact Beverly Carter at 405-743-9618.